Hello, I'm Antonio, and today I'm gonna teach you how to make these tools. They're very simple tools to make, and you can use stuff from home, from household, like safety pins and paper clips and a little bit of wire and some sticks. Okay, so first I'm gonna actually show you what do you do with these, right? So this is a rake tool. It's quite typical thing to use in sculpting, and you will use it a lot. And then you have like a needle thing for details. So let me just quickly show you so that you can see what is used for. So let's say you want to blend clay together, right? Let's say like that, a piece of clothing or something. Okay, that. So what Rake does, it blends nicely. As you can see, let me zoom that in. You see how nicely it can blend. Not only that, later on when you're adding stuff like small pieces of clay like that, whatever, around the eyes or something, right? And then you blend them all together, you will have basically surfaces that look flat but they're not. So that's why you have to rake it. Okay, so I use here wire, guitar wire, acoustic guitar wire. It has small basically teeth, and that allows you to kind of rake, right? Rake the clay. You see what it creates. It's actually taking layers of clay from the side and putting it on top. It's very, very nice. And you can't, like, if you're using typical tool, like something, I don't know, I'm just taking something random like that, it's like you're not gonna get the same thing, same consistency. This is amazing. Basically just use that, and then you use oil or alcohol to smooth it out more. But you will be cleaning surfaces with it. That's what's important. Cleaning surfaces with it. This needle thing, let's say you want to create recess here, right? So you can, it's like for very, very fine stuff, or something that you will be doing around the eyes, right? Okay, let me just show you how to create these very quickly. It's very simple. So we have a stick here, right? This stick. Okay, let me just get this away. You have to get rid of the skin. I'm gonna speed up this thing so you don't have to wait for me to do this. But you can make it not, it's gonna last you longer, the wood, if you do that to skin. So you can take any piece of wood. This is hazelnut, but it doesn't matter, anything will work. And please be careful with scalpers, and always cut away from yourself. Always, like this. Always cut away. I mean, you might do this like a peeling of, but that's dangerous. Don't do that. Just use this. Just leave it like that. Yeah. Nice piece of wood. Now we just need to put it. You have to be cutting through the middle. Okay, so you do it this way. Come on, camera. Right, like that, and then you just use any tool like that, right? And go, I don't know, like that. That's enough. You see, like that. Take it out, and then, okay, so this is the wire. Okay, this is guitar wire. You can find it, actually get it actually for free. You just go to a music shop and ask them for old wire, and possibly from acoustic guitar, thicker wire. You can buy that for €1 or whatever, or dollar as well. This is the only thing you will have to buy, of course, except the tools that I have around, but I would definitely recommend you to do it. But you can do that also with the paper clip. Just the paper clip will not have the teeth to rake the clay with, but you can do it with this as well. So what I'm doing now, I'm just gonna cut a little bit of wire. Let's say like this. Great. Now you put it just on one side, not in the middle, but one side here, like that. And put it in, deeper in. And then you check when you... Okay, that's enough, that's enough. And then you tape it. You tape first a little bit. You just take any tape, it doesn't matter. And make it tight. Make it very tight. Okay, for now, that's enough, because we're gonna be taping it again. Cut that. Bam, you have a wire like that. You have a wire like that. Now all you have to do is bend the wire. Bend the wire and put it back into the hole here. Like that. And then work it in a little bit. And bam! You have a raking tool. So easy. So easy. And then you tape it a little bit more, just to have it stronger. Okay, and then we tape again. And just make it tight. Yeah. Stretch the tape. Like that. Go a little bit down. Like that. Bam, 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 very quickly. And you're ready to sculpt. Already. Cut that tape. Bam. Beautiful raking tool. Very, very simple. Here you go. That's the rake tool. And then, to create this, let's use the safety pin. Okay, safety pin. Very, very simple. Actually, let's use the bigger one, because you're probably gonna have a bigger one at home. Like that. Cut the end. You don't need that. Bam. And we cut that. And then I would recommend to use, if you have 2 pliers, just to bend it like that. Opa. Like that. And for now, you don't have to do anything. We're gonna do the same thing. The same thing. Okay, same thing. Put it in the middle. Take the pliers. Put the sculptor in the middle. Plier, bam, 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 bam. Like that. Tako. Done, done, done. And we put this thing, right? Opa, this one is even easier. I'll put it, oh, maybe even deeper. Actually don't need. You don't even need this part. Let's just cut this part as well. Opa. like that. Like that. Bam, put it in. There we go. Now that's it. Maybe we can put it a little bit more in. You can play with that, how much you want it to go in. And then we tape it. Bam! Very simple, and you're sculpting in 10 minutes. There we go. Hoppa. As I said, you can use any type of tape. Doesn't matter, just make it tight. There we go. Finito. I just cut this small piece. Like that, and then we can bend it as well a little bit. And just bend this tool. Up. Like that. Opala. It's very nice. Very nice and simple. And then, if you want to make it stronger a little bit now at the end, just glue it here. Just glue the connection. That's it. That's it. There's the other one. Here. Just where the wire connects, put some glue. And this will last you for ages. These tools will never break. Okay, so you don't have to buy any expensive tools. That's it. Very simple. 2 tools. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed the video and you learned something today. Keep creating, keep sculpting. You will get better with time, like with anything in life. The more you do it, the easier it will get. So this will get you started very nicely, and yeah, you don't have to buy anything, you just create it yourself. The only thing you will have to get or buy is the wire, guitar wire, but you can use also the paperclip or something. But I would strongly recommend, it's the only thing that you go and get it. It's the wire. It will help you. It's important. Okay. Have a nice day, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.